This is April Backus with part number 2 to my first video, Low Light, with the Christmas light. This is my son again, and this is one of the nicest ones that turned out, I think. So we're just going to come on over here, and we're going to up this just a little bit. We can come down here and see the before and the after, which a little bit too bright for my liking. That's looking pretty good. Maybe drop it down to 0.15. I said 15, not 10. Let's see here. That looks pretty good. And then we're going to up these shadows a little bit. Brighten some of this up back here. This is probably going to be a tight crop. And we'll open the image. And the first thing I'm going to fix is his teeth. And I have some actions over here that help me make my life so much easier. When I can find things anyway. Yeah, see, I passed it. It's up here somewhere. Oh, right here. Ha! I'm going to zoom in on his teeth. That's way too much. Bring this down. Bring the size down just a little bit. And you just kind of want to stay in the lines of the teeth. Just like so. So I just went ahead and skipped and I did all of them because it took me a minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and you can see this is 50%. And I can turn it up and I can turn it down and you can see that's what it originally was. And I'm probably going to put it somewhere about here so it matches these other teeth a little bit more, and you can zoom out to see the difference here. Makes quite a bit of a difference, but you don't want it to look too white that it looks fake. I think that looks pretty good. Maybe I'll bring this down to 60 once. Yeah, I think 60 will be good. And then I also have to brighten the eyes a little bit. I like to have my eyes pop. Not too much, just enough. Brighten this up just a little bit here. That's too much. Alright. Zoom out and see what that looks like. See, that's looking pretty good. And he's got this mark over here, so I'm going to come over here to the clone. And I'm going to clone that out, but I'm going to turn this down. Oh, shush it. I forgot to unlock my layer. It's late. It's 12:22 over here. I can't think what I'm doing right now. There we go. It looks too bad for me. Made this a little bit smaller. I'm just kind of... No, that's really bad too. Let's zoom in on that. Okay, let's make it a little bigger then. Turn this opacity down. Let's zoom out and see what that looks like. Oh, that looks so bad. You can totally tell that was... And this is just kind of the hit or miss here. Maybe I'll just come in. I have... Okay, so I actually have this really cool program, Portrait Pro. And it opens image within Photoshop, which is great. I'm going to pause this here. Yes, a child. And this just makes my life easier. I mean, I don't use a lot of this stuff. I usually use it for the touch-ups. It makes my life a heck of a lot easier. There. And you can tell, I mean, it doesn't look bad. You know, it's gone. And then I'll just take that back into Photoshop. Gone. Done messing around. Okay, so now what we're going to do, so we have these over here. We're going to merge these down. See, it's gone. We're going to come over here. We're going to make this a tight crop. Let's try that. I can kind of dig that, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here. No. So we're going to come over here, we're going to play this action. Thinking, kind of. I don't want that hat to be blown out. You see, when we move the spotlight, it gets blown out. It's too white. I just kind of want a little more something right here. I'll come over here. You see the difference that makes, just a little bit of something. I'm going to try 20% here. See, now that, yeah, that makes a big difference. And you see he's already got the light here on his shoulders and the light is right here on his hat, which is why you put the source of the light on that side. I could have probably gotten away with it on this side, but I want it to be over here. Now this up here is actually part of my light that's lighting this backdrop right here. So I'm going to try to hopefully take it out or crop it out. I don't know. That's too big. Oh, no, wrong layer. Forgot to turn this back up. Turn this about there. Whoop. No. It's looking better the way it was before. There we go. All that. Come on, work with me. It's like a really weird angle. Okay, so that's looking better. So there's that light again. And now the one thing I'm going to go back in here and do, and this is the last thing, I'm going to go back to Camera Raw. And I'm going to find the... Now, bring this down. You see the color of his skin. I'll keep it about right there. And there you have it. We're done.